Hey everybody, Nakul from Skills IELTS. Really hope everybody is doing fantastic. Back with yet another super awesome video on IELTS reading. Today we're going to talk about reading fill in the blanks. Lot many people assume that reading fill in the blanks is so easy and I don't need to practice. They don't need to practice. But yes, reading FIB is where you lose a lot of marks because the difficult ones you make mistakes, it's fine. The simple ones you're not supposed to make mistakes, and because of these silly ones, a lot of people are stuck at 5 and 5.5. Alright, so before we get into the video, if not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, and anytime you need online assistance, you can WhatsApp us to the number appearing at the bottom of the screen. We will be there, I'll be there to help you, guide you in the right direction. Without a further delay, let's straight away get into the video. The actual video, let me just share my screen. IELTS reading fill in the blanks, complete tutorial. So fill in the blanks look something like this. They're going to give you a paragraph, and below that there would be some questions, some blanks. In many forms fill in the blanks come. Sometimes summarize, a summary will be given, sometimes direct lines will be given, sometimes a paragraph will be given. So I have taken a snippet of one of the things. So wherein the answer for this will be hidden in the paragraph. Usually it follows in the order. The answer for the first one will be somewhere here, let's say. The answer for the second one will not be on top of that, it will be below that only. Okay, reading fill in the blanks is very easy. And I know people who are watching this video also believe the same. And if you think it's very easy, you're very confident to do this and get 5 out of 5 in less than 4 minutes. Open challenge, let's see how many of you can get 5 out of 5. I'm going to add a timer of 4 minutes. Within 4 minutes you have to do it, and once 4 minutes is done, I'm going to come back and show you what mistakes you've done. Alright, I really hope you have finished doing it. So let's quickly understand the correct answer. So how do we basically do? See, this is called matching technique. You just have to match word by word, and whichever the word doesn't match, that's the correct answer. I repeat, match all the words from the paragraph and the question. Whichever the word doesn't match, that's the answer. Lions like to live in a group, and so it is a true dash. Lion is the only true. Okay, the word true got matched. Social, probably social is the answer. Cat is a feline and lives in groups, live in a group called pride, everything is matching. What is not matching? Social is not matching. Cat is feline, you should know this, it comes from a species called feline. So now social is not matching, social would be the correct answer. Easy peasy, that's how you do it, don't worry too much about it, match everything, whichever is left, that's the correct answer. So the first one gonna be social. The male came, act as protector to females. The males defend the females, protector to females, and the territory, easy peasy, man, that's all it is, from strange males. However, this also comes up with a dash, which is extremely aggressive. Aggressive is what we need to look at. Fierce, territory over, and competition among the male is fierce. However, this also comes up with a dash, which is extremely aggressive. Fierce means extremely aggressive. So every other word is matched. What is left? Competition. It's actually a very simple technique, but you should just try it out. If you try to do on your own intuition and all, 100%, 100% you're going to make mistakes. Just match, man. Whichever is not matching, that's the correct answer. Alright, next we'll go to socializing nature. The socializing nature, man's average tenure over a pride can increase depending on the size and strength of the coalition. Coalition, probably it is like a group. The socializing nature. Just getting it, that's how you predict, that's how you make out of it. Strength of the coalition, the socializing nature decides the dash of a male in its group. Socializing nature, size and strength of the coalition. The socializing nature decides the dash of a male, decides the male is there, in its group is pride. What is left? Average tenure. Let's say I actually missed it, you need to write in one sentence only. I actually missed it, very sorry. Let's say you need to write with one word, not sentence. You need to write with only one word only. Then you cannot write two words. If you've written two words, you can change it now. But the idea is getting the approach. Very sorry, I should have written. Use only one word. The question is fill in the blanks using one word. Some, this has been missed out here. Very sorry. In one word only, let's say you need to write. So it's average tenure with an average tenure. The socializing nature decides the tenure of a male, or average tenure if they have written not more than two words. Okay, tenure is the correct answer for this because everything else is matching. One moment, let me just clean this up. So territory gonna be 2, competition gonna be 3, tenure gonna be 4. That's it, the last one is very easy. The dash is used for vocalization, mostly used. Roar gonna be 5. I hope this technique is helping you understand more about it. I hope you have figured out how easy it is indeed to actually do the true false, the reading fill in the blanks quickly. So that's the only technique, match, whichever is not matching, that's the correct answer, and apologize on that, I forgot to write the condition of writing one word. Fine guys, I really hope you have enjoyed doing the the exercise in this video. Like the video, leave your appreciation with a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. This is Nakul signing off from Skills IELTS. Soon I will be back. Till then, take care. Bye bye.